This instructional video will show how to replace the toner container in the MA4000wifx printer. When the printer displays it is time to replace toner, use this procedure. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any toner that is not Kyocera genuine toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer warranty. To replace the toner container, first push this button on top of the printer, located here to open the front and top cover. Press the blue toner container release button to unlock the toner container. Pull the toner container straight out of the printer as shown. Put the old toner container into the provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container into your recycle bin. When inserting the new toner container, be careful not to touch this electrical contact. Shake the new toner container back and forth 10 times and insert it into the printer, lining it up on the right side as shown. Then rotate the container up to match the blue arrows together. A click will also be heard. Close the top and front covers. Turn on the printer and allow the machine to come to a ready state. This could take several minutes, so please be patient. You have now successfully replaced a toner container in your MA4000wifx printer.